Orchids are not difficult to grow. The real challenge is that we often care for them the wrong way. Welcome to Great Garden. In today's video, I'll share a simple orchid care method using familiar ingredients readily available in your kitchen, easy for anyone to apply. No complicated experience is needed. Just understand it correctly and do it right, and you'll see a clear change in your plant. Strong root growth with plump white roots that cling well to the growing medium. Thick glossy green leaves with less wrinkling and dullness. Even flower spikes with naturally forming buds, signaling the coming blooming season. If your orchids are growing slowly, producing few flowers, or looking unstable, watch this video till the end. Chances are you may be caring for them the wrong way without realizing it. Let's get started. Do you have onions in your kitchen? Besides being used for cooking, onions are also a very useful natural ingredient for plants, thanks to their antibacterial properties, helping limit fungal diseases and support healthier root growth. When using it, you can take advantage of the dry outer onion skins, a part that is usually thrown away but actually contains many valuable nutrients. I use scissors to cut the onion skins into small pieces so the active compounds can dissolve more easily during soaking. Onion skins are rich in potassium, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants, which help boost plant resistance, stimulate root growth, keep leaves green and healthy, and limit fungal diseases. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian, to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After that, put the onion skins into 500 milliliters of boiling water. Cover it tightly and let it steep for about 1 hour to obtain a natural plant-nourishing solution. While waiting, I will water the plant lightly. You should water the plant first to moisten the growing medium. When the substrate is too dry, the roots have difficulty absorbing nutrients, and the plant will recover more slowly. You can tell when to water by observing the orchid roots. Bright green roots mean the plant has enough moisture and does not need watering yet. When the roots turn silvery white or light gray, it is a sign of dehydration and you can water the plant. Watering at the right time helps prevent root rot and dehydration, and supports healthy plant growth. After watering, let the plant rest for a while so the roots can absorb enough water. When the roots turn green again, you can then apply fertilizer, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients effectively and safely. After about 1 hour, once the solution has completely cooled, I strain out the solids and keep only the clear extract. Next, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution, making it safer and easier for the plant to absorb. At this point, the natural organic fertilizer is complete and ready to use. Let's apply it right away to take care of your orchids. Method 1. First, I pour the onion skin solution into a watering can and gently water around the base of the orchid. This method helps supply natural nutrients along with antibacterial and antifungal compounds, supporting strong root development, glossy green leaves, and improved plant resistance. Onion skins are rich in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and trace minerals, helping the plant recover faster, absorb nutrients more efficiently, and reduce fungal issues in the growing medium. It's best to water once a week. When the plant becomes stable, reduce the frequency to 1 to 2 times per month, applying just enough so the growing medium stays airy and the roots can absorb nutrients effectively. Method 2. Next, I continue by pouring the diluted onion skin solution into a small cup. Use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak it and wipe each side of the orchid leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, improves airflow, enhances photosynthesis, and limits bacteria and fungal diseases. The onion skin solution is rich in antibacterial compounds and natural minerals, helping the leaves stay glossy, thick, and healthy, while boosting the plant's resistance. You should wipe both sides of the leaves, doing this 1 to 2 times per week to ensure stable and long-term growth. Method 3. Pour the onion skin solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf joints. Spraying allows nutrients and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds to spread evenly, helping the plant grow stronger, reducing pests and diseases, and keeping the leaves clean for better photosynthesis. Be sure to spray both sides of the leaves so the solution can be absorbed effectively. Apply once a week during the first month, then maintain it once per month afterward. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes in a well-ventilated area with gentle light so the leaves and roots have time to absorb the nutrients effectively. If you notice any water remaining on the leaf surfaces or in the leaf joints, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth to remove excess moisture and prevent a damp environment where fungal diseases can develop. This small step helps keep the plant well ventilated, reduces the risk of leaf and crown rot, and maintains a healthy, stable condition in the long term. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After 2 months of application, the results truly surprised me. The orchid leaves became noticeably darker green, thicker, and glossier. New leaves kept appearing, firm and healthy with strong photosynthesis, helping the entire plant grow evenly. The root system developed vigorously, with many new white, plump roots firmly attaching to the growing medium. Water and nutrient absorption improved significantly, making the plant increasingly vigorous. Flower spikes and buds formed steadily and robustly. The buds were even, large, and bright in color. And once in bloom, the flowers lasted longer, keeping the orchid pot vibrant for an extended period. This is truly a well-deserved result of gentle yet proper care. When nourished correctly, orchids respond with lasting vitality and a refined, natural beauty. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel and turn on notifications to join me in future orchid care videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video.